A very good morning, students. In last class, we have started our chapter 7, Artificial Intelligence. We have read about artificial intelligence, that is the way of making a computer, a robot, or software think intelligently in a similar manner as human think. Then we have read about computational thinking, then understanding artificial intelligence environment, then components of intelligent computer and timeline of artificial intelligence. Today we'll read about artificial intelligence in daily life. In our daily life we are seeing so many examples of artificial intelligence, but we are not aware that that is an artificial intelligence. So we'll read about all these components which we are using in our daily life. First one is your virtual personal assistants. All of us we are using this virtual personal assistant. This works on voice command. How can it instantly answer your queries which you have asked in natural language? You see, first one example here given is Google Assistant. All of you have used, I think so, Google Assistant. In your Google Assistant, by using your voice command, you can ask any query. You can, if you want to search anything over the internet, you just give your voice command, it will show you the results, search results. Even small kids, those who don't know the spellings of any, if they want to search anything over internet and they don't know the spelling, even they can also search very easily. Even illiterate peoples also can search very easily because of this voice command or this assistant, these virtual personal assistant. So now this Google Assistant is an artificial intelligence powered virtual assistant developed by Google that is primarily available on mobile and smart home devices. Which type of smart home devices? TV remotes also. Your Google Assistant is always ready to help when and where you need it. Next is Apple Siri. As like Google Assistant, this Apple Siri is also an artificial intelligence powered virtual assistant, but that is specifically developed by Apple and primarily available on Apple devices. That can be iPhone, iPad, Apple laptop, whatever. Next is Cortana. As like Google Assistant, that is available for everyone. Apple Siri is specifically for Apple devices. This Cortana is developed by Microsoft and it works on Windows 10, Windows 10 Mobile, Microsoft Band, Surface headphones and so on. Next one is Amazon Alexa. I think all of you have heard about this Amazon Alexa. All of you know how it works. So that is also a virtual assistant developed by Amazon. Firstly, it was used in Amazon Echo and the Amazon Echo Dot smart speakers. But now it works with many devices like Amazon Fire Stick. So Amazon Fire Stick you have seen, as like Amazon Fire Stick, Netflix is also there and Zio remote is also there on which you can give any type of command. Next is social networking. This artificial intelligence also works in social networking. How it works? First example we are taking here, Facebook. Facebook is basically that is social networking site, and how it works, you can see whenever you upload your photo on Facebook, it automatically highlights faces and suggests friend to tag. Now how it can instantly recognize your photos or your friends? Because it uses artificial intelligence to recognize the faces. Next example is Snapchat. Facial filters in Snapchat track facial movements and allow users to add animated effects. You know, this type of filters you also apply on the mobile also while taking any pic, your selfie, etc. So these types of filters are also there. They all automatically recognize your movement of face. Here some examples are given you in this photograph, so you can see here. Next is ride sharing app. So this ride share platform uses a smartphone app which connects drivers with passengers in the area. The process is very simple. Just open the app, request a ride, your driver arrives within minutes. These apps use artificial intelligence to work for them. So two examples are given here, Ola and Uber. These are the cab services and these are going head to head to make artificial intelligence work for them. So with the enhancement of virtual reality, riders are able to view where their cab will pull up and see the vehicle's make model beforehand to avoid vehicle confusion, because same type of vehicles are there. It even assists drivers in the drop off visualization based on congestion in real time. So even you see in Google Map, or when you are using Google Map, it will show you which path is crowded, which is free. So all these are happening because of this artificial intelligence. When the driver reaches the end destination, fare payments get generated in the app automatically. So how convenient it is, you can see. Next is online shopping. Online shopping is the process whereby consumer directly buy goods or services from a seller in real time over the internet. Some shopping sites are given here. You know very well all these websites. So even in online shopping, while you are purchasing anything over the internet, it will store your purchase history. So next time it will automatically suggest you for the same type of products on our different websites. Next is search and recommendations. So when you search any product, your searches show all the relevant products. You see recommendations for products you are interested as customers who viewed this item also viewed, and customers who bought this item also bought, as well as via personalized recommendations on the home page or at bottom of the item page. So all these things, while doing purchasing on online, you can see all these things who have bought and all these things. Then internet ads. Almost everyone see the ads that is similar to their last searches or interests. As I have told you, in online shopping, while purchasing anything, it will save your history, so it will also save your interest. So next time automatically it will show you the ads related to your shopping history. You have often noticed when you scroll a web browser on your computer after searching an item on any e-commerce site, the item still flashes continuously on the current web browser even after you have closed the e-commerce site. This type of ads are also known as internet ads because they will save your history. That's why they will show you up to next time. Like whenever you have login, it will show you that thing. Next, artificial intelligence passing standard test. The artificial intelligence system called Aristro, developed by the Alien Institute, passed an 8th grade science test, a benchmark in artificial intelligence development that scientists had been aiming to reach for years. So Aristro didn't just pass the test, it got an A for correctly answer more than 90% of the question on the test designed for New York students, and then it went on to answer questions and exam for 12th grades, earning a solid B grade, that is 80%. So how intelligent is this Aristro quiz? So in next class we'll continue our chapter, we'll read future of artificial intelligence. Till then, read from your book, and in next class I'll give you question answer also. So till then, take care.